और मुसलमान कहते हैं क्या ये वही लोग हैं जो अल्लाह के नाम की पक्की कस्में खाते थे कि हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं, उनके अमाल बर्बाद हो गए, फिर वो नुकसान उठाने वाले हो गए। And those who believe will say, are these the ones who swore by Allah? There is strong proof that indeed they were with you. Their deeds have become worthless and they have become losers.